Hey y'all, me again. I am here to go over your two-step equations homework, which is due today, September 30th, and Skyward due today. Okay. I want to go over some of the questions with you. For those of you who are still confused on how to do this, I'm going to walk you through the problems. I am not going to provide you with the answers though, so pay close attention and follow the steps that I do, and you should get the correct answer. So let's start here with 7x plus 9 equals 58. The steps that we must do are the opposite operations. So I'm going to draw a river here, and then I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides and then divide by 7 on both sides. So I'm going to put minus 9, minus 9. These 9's here on the left cancel out. I'm left with 7x equals 58 minus 9. This is a quick math problem. 58 minus 9 is 49. Then I'm going to take 7x equals 49. This means 7 times some number equals 49. And in order to find out what that number is, I have to divide 49 and 7. 49 divided by 7 will be my answer. Boom. Here, I am subtracting 33 and then dividing by negative 3 on both sides. Technically, all of the work is happening to the negative 12. So if you want to start with negative 12 minus 33 equals something, then divide by negative 3, you will get your answer here. Answer for number 3. This is x divided by 5. The opposite of division by 5 is multiplication by 5. So I'm going to add 7 to the 16. 16 plus 7 equals something. Then I'm going to multiply that something by 5, and then I'm going to get my answer. Okay, number 4. I'm going to take negative 55. I'm going to subtract 2. I'm going to get an answer. Excuse me. Then, with that answer, I'm going to divide by 3. Okay, this is 3 times x. I want the opposite, which is division by 3. Equals, this is my final answer here. Number 5, I'm doing the same thing with the negative 4. Negative 4, the opposite of plus 8 is minus 8. I got to undo the plus 8 by subtracting. I'm going to get something. This says 2 times x. The opposite of that is divide by 2. So I'm going to divide by 2, and then I'm going to get, bring it down here, my final answer. Put double arrows there because that's what I want. Here they tricked you. They moved the 13 over here. I'm always starting with the number that doesn't have a variable. This is called the constant. So I'm starting with my constant here, my constant here, my constant here. Down here, my constant is 13. I can rewrite this problem to say negative 4x, because this is a negative 4x, positive 13, so plus 13, equals negative 11. That should help you solve this one. I'm going to do negative 11 minus 13 equals something. Then my something will get divided by negative 4, because I'm going to undo the negative 4 times x by dividing by negative 4. And then I will get my answer. For number 13, I'm going to start with a 24, and I'm going to subtract it from both sides. 21 minus 24 equals something. Keep in mind the pirates and the ninjas. This is a negative 24. The ninjas are going to win here. Then this says x divided by 4. Should be turned into times 4. Okay, so I'm going to take this answer, multiply by 4, then I'm going to get my final answer. This is the one that I want. Okay, number 7. This says x divided by 2 minus 12 equals negative 14. I'm working backwards. Instead of saying minus 12, I'm going to add 12. Instead of saying divided by 2, I'm going to multiply by 2. Negative 14 plus 12 is some answer times 2, which is my final answer. Here, this is 8x, 8 times a number, added to 16 is 8. I want to take 16 away, and I want to divide by 8. 8 minus 16 equals something, divided by 8 equals my final answer. Number 9. I'm going to start with 8. This says x divided by -3 plus 11 equals 8. I'm working backwards. 8 minus 11 times -3. Minus 11, give me an answer, times -3. Give me my final answer here. Number 10, 25 minus 15, plus 15, because it already says minus 15. I always need to write the opposite. So plus 15 equals something. Then, whoops, I want to divide by -8. Then I get my final answer. Number 11 says 2x minus 2, -18, plus 2 equals something, divided by 2 equals my final answer. Last one. 5x minus 1 equals 14. I'm working backwards. 14 plus 1 equals something. And then I'm going to divide that something by 5, and then I'm going to get my final answer. All of your answers should be down here somewhere. If you're not getting one of these answers down here, then your calculations are wrong. There's only one -19. There's a +6 and a -6. Watch your signs. Okay? Make sure you're keeping in mind the pirates and the ninjas. Here I have 8 pirates, that's my positive, and 16 ninjas. The ninjas are bigger, so the ninjas are going to win. The group of ninjas is bigger. So I'm going to put negative something here, then I'm going to find the difference between 16 and 8. Negative blank divided by 8 equals blank. Pirates and ninjas. This is a pirate, this is a ninja. My ninjas are going to win, their group is bigger. This should be a negative something, and then find the difference between 8 and 11. And that's it. That's how you get this problem done, or these problems done. Good luck. Submit it in Skyward before 11:59 today. Have a great afternoon, or evening, or morning, whatever time it is for you. Bye.